Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. As you see in front of me is the DIY PC Solo T2. What I'm going to be doing today is taking all the parts out and switching into the DIY PC Cuboid. Um, I still will be using this case here. I'm just going into a different direction with it. So, enough talking. Let's start taking this baby apart and let's start doing the rebuilding the Solo and the DIY PC Cuboid. Alright, let's do this. Alright everybody, she's done. What I'm going to be doing off camera is just blowing all the dust off, get my little blower, blow the dust off, and that's about basically it. It didn't take that long to strip her down, just like I said, it's not an issue. She's still holding strong for my little entertainment rig in the room. Just like I said, I'm going to be blowing the dust off camera. Y'all don't need to see me. Y'all do not need to see me blow dust off or anything like that. But what I do recommend is that y'all do keep your PCs clean after so many years of usage. You should clean your PC out by every 6 months to a year. So other than that, enough of me talking. I'm going to go ahead on and dust everything off and get her ready for the rebuild. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the rebuild. Alright everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to go ahead on and go on with the rebuild. Yes, everything you see in front of me here is going into the DIY PC Cuboid. Yes, Cuboid has done so many great things for me though, so I'm not going to go ahead on and disabandon it. I purchased it in 2020, my first presentation build, so I kept everything simple. What I'm going to be doing here is going with the simple fans that came with the Cuboid, the 120. LED blue fan, the 120, no, not the 120, correction, the 140 LED blue. I had purchased another 140 off eBay. So these are two 140 fans, 120. And we're going to the beast of it all, the Cool 200mm blue. Yes, everything is going inside the Cuboid the way I had it in 2020 when I had brought the case and transferred my AM2 motherboard by ASRock into the Cuboid, and I loved it. And then I wanted to use Windows 10. Eventually, when they received that update from 2020 H1, I lost all functions of the USB supports in the back. So, but recently did some upgrades, and it's at where it's at now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transition everything you see in front of me here into the Cuboid. Enough talking. Let's do this. she's done. What I'm going to be doing now is just do the cable management. Y'all know I do the cable management off camera. Yeah, I got everything in. The reason why y'all don't see the front case on because I got to go ahead and tie down some points. And I got some tie down points up top when I connect the front panels to the motherboard. So other than that, she is done. It took a while. She's a monster. But simple, easy, basic. Now I can just go ahead on and continue watching my Spotify, listen to my music on Spotify or YouTube music, watch my movies. And if I want to do some web browsing and go ahead and get everything ready for another video I got going on, put up all the information I need to pull up and saving it and doing my spreadsheets and stuff, I can go ahead and do that in the room peacefully and quietly and chill while I get the content ready for y'all to review. But other than that, she's ready. Just like I said, I'll be putting all the components in the description below. Just as like I said, basic level PC. I'll be putting the year, all the parts and everything came out now. And I'm using some new parts. I'm not using a GPU because I'm using the APU for the from the CPU, which is the 5600. So 4 cores, 4 threads. As y'all know, 2 cores goes into multitasking purposes. So basically, you lose 2 cores and for multitasking purpose, but it still works for me. No issues watching any of my 1080p content, movies, etc., and doing what I love to do. So it's not an issue. Great cooler by by Zellman. So just like I said, I'll be putting all the description of the components in the description below, so y'all can check it out. Just like I said, it's great for basic use. You can still use it in 2023 playing some games. Put a designated GPU in, add your Wi-Fi, or you can go ahead and use a 1 gigabit Ethernet controller in the back. I'm not using it, so it's not an issue. I'm on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi takes care of my needs for me, so especially when I'm in the room. Just like I said, I have no issues with this PC at all. It is great. It is good to use, and I love it. I want to thank y'all for watching. I will be doing a little light picture montage at the end. I will just go ahead and give it to y'all what she looks like when she's finished. And I want to thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.